Hey folks, welcome back to the farm down here in the barn. We're going to do a little baby update. No babies yet. But you can see there's getting close to Christmas. We'll throw a little food in there for them. And just want to do a quick update. I know that's one of the most, right now, it's a lot of questions I get. When are they going to have their babies? So we don't know. They're looking big though. To me, every one of them looks like they're pregnant, so but I don't know. We'll find out. Let me take some food out to them pigs because they're going crazy. So let me get that together and we'll come back and look at them some more. Hey, give us a thumbs up and a like.
And hit that subscribe button.
Right over here. It's free. Don't cost you nothing. They're starting to put some weight on. That's good. Gosh, it's cold out today. It's the that's why I'm coming down here doing the baby watch, because I kind of figured they might be born today because it's so cold and windy and it's just miserable out here. And I thought they might be ready to go. I hope we don't have no problems trying to get it out of the glare so you can see better. Not really worried about Gigi. I think she'd be all right. I mean, she said twins and regular ones with no problems. The other two I'm kind of worried about because they're first time babies. But they got the good genetics. So, genetics. And I hope they're all girls. So that'd be nice if we had 6 more girls. Man, that'd put us right there and we'd get, well, I'd get rid of that Phil and get another buck, and that'd be the end of it. Then from then on, I would probably just sell whether it's boys or girls. That'd give us 9 female goats plus a male, so that'd be all right. Well, I hope everyone has a good Christmas. Little short video. I don't know, we've been trying to buy a car all day today, and it rained yesterday, and really didn't have time to make a good video, so this is it. About as good as it's gonna get today. But I did give you an update on the goats. She really looks big. So if they're born in between videos, I'll put a little video out showing you the babies. So anyway, let's get a good look at her. She's pretty. This one right here. She's got the moon spots and everything. So I wish I could have kept her daddy, and he was such a good breeder, and he did a lot of pretty goats. And so anyway. All right, well, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my chores. I ain't gonna bring you along. I'm just gonna try to hurry and power through them because it's so cold. And like I said, I hope everybody has a good Christmas. If we have babies, between videos, I'll do a little short video and show you the baby. We're not going to do it live this Monday, the 23rd. Monday the 23rd, no live. Sorry about the last live, but the power outage and all that. So anyway, hope everyone has a good Christmas. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you subscribing. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the farm next video.